Hi guys, my name is Julie and today there's two things going in Russia. The first one is, of course, today is March 8th and it's International Women's Day. The second thing is the beginning of Pancake Week or Russian Blini Week or Maslenitsa if you heard about it, or French Crepe Week. You can Google it right now, but anyways, I'm gonna put the information down here. So yes. So you now don't have, or you have, an excuse to eat pancakes the whole week. So if you want to know what is this week about it, actually, stay tuned. But also, I'm gonna say here that French crepes and Russian blini is the same thing. To be honest, like, it's the same thing. Yeah. So let's get cooking because Julie the cook here.
So first of all, you need 3 eggs, it's obvious. You add sugar and salt. And you mix it all together until the consistency become homogeneous. So then you put your milk, 20 or 30% only. So now we can add our flour. We have now a thick liquid and we put here the rest of the milk and whisk it all together again. So basically our liquid is ready and we are ready to cook blini. Let's dig into it.
So we are almost there cooking, and it's time soon to eat. Stay tuned. Okay guys, that's it. Delicious. So if you want to see anything from me, hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You're still here? What are you doing here?